Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel, Old Tech New Look. My name is Baz and I'm back once again to do a quick unboxing of the Samsung Galaxy. But this is the S24 Ultra from last year, not the new one coming up. So you can have a quick unboxing review of this and let me know what you think. So with this box, it feels very heavy. It's definitely the heaviest box I picked up when it comes to mobile phones. So let's quickly open this up and see what we have inside. There we go. Quite a good quality box, and we have the phone itself. Now this is, I think it's a titanium violet, so it's like a purpley colour. Let's just take this one out, and there it is. Literally this. Now this feels very heavy. I can feel that it is made with high quality. And what else is in the box? The phone and nothing, just the phone. Is it just the phone? That can't be right. So we have the phone. Oh no, okay, that pulls out. There we go. We do have something. More secretive. There we go. What do we have in there? Oh, there it is. So we do have the cable. USB-C to USB-C, a couple of manuals, and yep, that seems to be it. So yep, you do at least get cable and this phone I will be reviewing. So any questions on this, feel free to put in the comments. I can test it, check it out, and let you know what I think of this phone. And just before I go, a quick pill. Oh, not quite as satisfying as I thought. And there it is. So I just realised I missed something. So there's also the SIM tray ejector tool, which was secretly hidden in a box. But yeah, that's what you have: the ejector tool, the cable, and the phone itself.